today I'll be teaching you the Porrusalda. Now this is one of the easiest Basque dances to learn. It contains the 1, 2, 3, step cross 1, 2, 3, and step cross 1, 2, 3 turn, which I have taught in previous videos. And it also contains one other step which I'll be teaching you in this video. Enjoy! Okay, so now I'll teach you the first part of the Porrusalda. Okay, so we're going to go, so the tempo, I guess, will kind of be like this. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Then you're going to repeat that one more time. Okay, so right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Show that to you from the back now. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so you just need to make sure you're on your toes the whole time, and we'll do that one more time. And it's kind of, you can sort of bounce also. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll show you a short clip of this move being used in the full dance. So here it is. Okay, so now let's add in the step cross 1, 2, 3. We will start going left. We'll do this 7 times. Yes, 7 times, and then you will 1, 2, 3, 2. You will turn 1, 2, 3 the whole time to your right. Okay, so now we'll add in the third and last part of this dance. Step cross 1, 2, 3 turns, and we will be going to the right first. So right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. Okay, so now let's put it all together with music. 1, left, right, 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 left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, right, cross, 1, 2, 3, left, cross, 1, 2, 3, left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, right, cross, 1, 2, 3, left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn left. Left, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn right. Right, cross, 1, 2, 3, turn